Hi everyone, welcome to the technology world. This is Mahender. Today we will discuss one of the intriguing topic: how does Google Maps work? Google Maps is a web mapping service which offers satellite imagery, street maps, 360 degrees panoramic views of streets, real-time traffic conditions, direction to our destination, traffic update, and detailed information about businesses, photos of places, restaurants, hotels, roadblocks, and particular of a construction work for a road, etc. etc. We know all these things, right? So let's discuss the aspects of how exactly Google Maps work and how do they do it with so much of precision. Google Maps was invented by Lars Rasmussen. He is the head of engineering at Google Maps Sydney in 2003. Lars Rasmussen and his brother Jens forming a map technology company called as Way2 Technologies. After subsequent 1 year, it was acquired by Google. So Google Maps was born. Now let's see what technology behind Google Maps. The technology side of the application is largely written in artificial intelligence for interaction with the user communication. The real-time display system is being built on Node.js and JavaScript, as well as Objective-C is used for iPhone and Android application. The Twilio is the force behind Google Maps communication, and push notification are implemented through the Apple Push Notification Service on iOS platform and Google Cloud Messaging (GCM) on Android application. The Google Maps satellite view is a top-down or bird's eye view. So most of the high resolution of cities is aerial photography taken from aircraft flying at 800 to 1500 feet. Now we will move to real-time traffic. Do you know Google Map will use data? That is the path, distance, time to travel, and real-time traffic. But where does it get the data? Google has certain partners by the help of which it maintains the database of Google Maps. Since it has to be real-time, Google Maps is collaborated with the Google Earth for satellite view. Is it a little bit complicated? Should I simplify it? Okay, for simple example, just try to assume it. Now I'm at JBS bus station, so I want to travel from JBS bus station to LV Prasad Institute, located in Banjarals. What should I do now? I'm opening Google Maps, entering my location address, then my route will be displayed on my mobile screen, right? So I booked Uber cab. While in my traveling, suddenly Google suggested to me, not to me, my cab driver, there is a lot of traffic in your way, better to change your direction. I want to know one thing, how would Google know this? Google knows with the help of artificial intelligence. Let's move to Street View. Every day there are tons of changes suggested to Google Maps, as renaming of roads, renaming of structures, changing the address. They are suggested by the public on the top of the contributions. Of course, Google has a large team working through the thousands of reports that are filed to Google each day. If you are talking about new routes are drawn automatically by artificial intelligence. Do you know one thing? Google Maps is used for satellites for getting accurate 3D location of our phone. And there are 33 such satellites in space for GPS. Moving to local guides. If you want to know about local guides, just open the Google Maps, go to my contribution, then you can search for different places in your area by leaving a review, answering a few questions, and submitting a photo. So you can contribute this additional layer of data. Lastly, how does Google Maps make money? For wonderful example, if I want to design one of the Android application for RTC, then I can get the Google Maps API for free. I do not need to pay money for Google because I am providing my application for commuters with free of cost. But in real time instance, Uber definitely pays money for Google because it is charged from commuters. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand.